How has organizational behavior changed in the recent times? This is an important aspect to be understood. The current trends in OB and the global perspective suggest that the concept of organizational behavior has undergone a sea change. Let's look at the current trends. IT has become a very important determinant of way things are being done. To add to this, globalization and diversity have become very important contextual dimensions for organizational behavior. Nevertheless, the key to successful organizations have always been and will always be people. I have a simple query to ask. What is common between Lord Ram, Sam Walton, Peter Drucker and Bill Gates? Apparently it may appear to be very diverse, yet the one connecting thread has been that they all emphasized importance of people in achieving goals. Technology can be purchased and copied. People, however, cannot be, and that is why people provide the cutting edge to any organization. Let's look at the changes that have taken place in the recent past. Technological and human components of work have become inextricably blended. The human beings are using technology to achieve advantage and at the same time increase their own efficiency. The jobs today are less tightly defined and programmed, so there is a considerable degree of flexibility, and the job enrichment is no longer a concept. It is a very useful practice that is prevalent today in almost all organizations. The networks of influence and relationships are changing. Rigid hierarchies are gone and direct face-to-face contacts are more frequent in the organizations. So the classical management, which talked about management by walking around, is there in every organization. Further, the complexion of the workforce has changed dramatically. There was a time when the workers were largely homogeneous from the same culture. Today, there is diversity. There are people from all over the world working under the same roof, and the gender mix is also changed from what it used to be earlier. There was a time when you would find very difficult to see women on the workplace. Today it is not so. Further, the expectations, aspirations and values have changed to a great extent. The important dimensions of the present day workshop is knowledge management, learning organization and virtual organization. Why I call this a workshop? Because it brings in diversities from various areas and expertise from several dimensions. The OB paradigm is, although not very different from what it used to be, the means of course have changed. So there was a time when the OB practitioners asked one basic question: what motivates? The basic question today also is the same. The only thing is that the answers have changed. So what used to motivate earlier does not motivate. The organization has become a living creature.